Hey y'all, so here is an example of what your Popplet product can look like. So this is the big zoom out, which made me realize I don't know why that box is there, and delete that. But as you can see in the middle, I have my thesis. Technology should be allowed in the classroom. This is just an example thesis. Branching off my thesis, you see my main idea 1, followed by my supporting details for that main idea. You see my main idea 2 and the supporting details for that. I have my counter argument with my rebuttal and more information that I want to bring up. And also branching off my thesis is some background info that I may or may not include in my essay. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, the purpose of this assignment is to create an outline that you can use to manipulate and sort of work out the pieces of your essay. So for example, while I was typing this, I noticed one of my supporting details this study was that the study found that students could complete assignments faster and make better connections when using technology. And then I noticed that my points were primarily centered around the idea that students would make better connections to their learning, which doesn't really tie in with my main idea of productivity. So what I can do is I can either change my supporting details, or the more easier option, I can just change my main idea to say technology allows students to make deeper connections to their learning. So I was able to reflect and make those connections because I was typing out and outlining and branching out my ideas, and I was able to think, doesn't really make sense. Let me fix that. So hopefully y'all can also do this assignment and be more reflective with your essays. And as I said earlier in a previous video, this is a great tactile element because you are able to move things around, delete. Even if you don't want to delete, say you're like, I want to keep this point, but I'm not sure, I might delete it later. You can just click it and, drag it all the way. Nope. Yeah, drag it all the way to the side and just keep it there, and then you can come back to it. And then you can always zoom out and just see your beautiful tree. So hopefully this was helpful. If y'all have any questions, shoot me an email. Like always, happy writing.